In my professional opinion, reestablishing wetlands on the landscape is incredibly important to the hydrological cycle. And the BC Wildlife Federation has been working for a number of years to do that, to construct wetlands, to rehabilitate wetlands. But a wetland is more than just a hole in the ground full of water. To be an effective habitat, it needs the right kinds of vegetation. So I think that the work that's being done to generate wetlands on the landscape is very worthwhile, and also needs, I think, continued follow-up to help kind of boost succession in the way that you want it to make sure that native plants end up on the site rather than primary colonizers like thistle and other unwanted species of plants. So follow up for years after the original build to maintain the site and help steward it in the right direction ecologically, I think will go a long way in making sure that these wetlands are successful in the long term.